Smart commands can really speed up your documentation process by inserting text and templates that you use often. Smart commands are available on any platform and are linked to your individual profile. Here is how they're accessed and used from the SOAP screen. To create or edit your smart commands, first navigate to your user profile page by clicking your user picture or image placeholder on the topmost navigation bar. Then select Smart Commands button on the lower portion of the page. You can search existing smart commands by typing the name or category in the search field. The results are automatically filtered for both. Here is a list of sample smart commands that you can use as a template and edit directly, or just click Create to make a new smart command. To make a smart command, you will need to give the command a descriptive name, select a type, text or dynamic. The text type will drop whatever text is in the content box into your selected field. The dynamic type allows certain patient-specific dynamic variables to be resolved when the smart command is used. Category is a way to classify similar smart commands to make them easier to search and use. Dynamic variables is a library of variables that you can copy and paste into the content form that are then resolved with patient-specific information when they are used. Content. The text in this field will be appended to the field that your cursor is in. You can create your own field in the smart command by enclosing them in square brackets. Let's take a look at the dynamic smart command in action. To use it, open a visit record to the SOAP screen. Click the Insert Smart Command button and then filter and select. Voila! The smart command is inserted at the end of the selected field. If you've made some smart commands that you would like to share with the other users at your clinic, just open a ticket with support at charttalk.cloud. Please specify the smart command or commands and the users you would like to share them with. It's perfectly fine to give the name of a command, an entire category, or ask for all commands to be shared. Users can then edit the commands for themselves or leave them as they are. It's that easy.